Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the invitation code for PCEX.com. So here, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and in the search bar, you need to search for PCEX Exchange. Now you will find PCEX.com website, so you will have to click on it and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, once you click on the register option, you will be landed on the next page where before actually register you on their platform, you will have to provide the invitation code of your PCEX account. So without that invitation code, you won't be able to create your account over here. So the first method of getting the invitation code is by just using the description of this video, because in the description I have given you my invitation code, so you can use that invitation code in order to create your account on PCEX.com. In the second method, sometimes when you click on the register option, it will by default create a invitation code for you, but that method may not work for some people. That's why I'm telling you to use the description, and in the description you will find the invitation code for PCEX.com. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.